丹英，你不是你家的大姐，丹英是女的，对不对？看一下啊，我确认一下。English， 哦 ，OK。But the main thing is whatever I say just now, does it match? Does it resonate or it's like totally off one? Because my analysis is quite detailed one. If correct is correct, if wrong is wrong one. Match, okay? Thank you for your response. Especially okay for your health. Then last year wow. But next year will be a good year. 2023 also not a very good year. 2023 and last year, 2018. I don't know whether you can remember all these years or not. The things that I mentioned. But is it interesting or something? I say so many things. I don't know you, you don't know me. But does it sound like I know you? Frightening. Don't be afraid. I won't do the black magic all this one, okay? Don't be afraid. 是来帮人的，不是来害人的，所以不用怕。I am here to assist and help, not to frighten you guys. I can understand like how come no need anything also can see so many things like that, right? Sometimes maybe intriguing, but no need to be afraid, okay? No need to be afraid. 不用怕的啦。I'll take care of your digestive system health. Welcome.